After hearing so much about Snug sofas online, I finally took the plunge and ordered one. I liked the idea of a convenient sofa in a box, especially since I live in an apartment with narrow doorways. So, here's my breakdown of the good and the not so good after a few months with my Snug. Pros: super easy. Setup: the sofa came in a few manageable boxes, and I was able to put it together by myself in about half an hour. No fights with unwieldy furniture here. Surprisingly comfortable. Honestly, I was expecting it to be a little stiff, but it's actually quite cozy. The cushions are firm, but supportive. Perfect for movie nights. Delivery speed: I ordered, and my sofa was literally at my doorstep a few days later. No long waits with this company. Stylish options: they have a nice range of modern-looking colors and fabrics, so I found one that fit my living room perfectly. Cons: not the plushest. If you're looking for a sofa where you sink in and disappear, this isn't it. It's great for everyday use, but not for all-out lounging. Fabric isn't luxurious. The material is durable and seems stain-resistant, but it doesn't have that super soft, expensive feel. Limited lifetime. While Snug advertises a lifetime frame warranty, realistically, the overall longevity of the sofa will be less than a traditional solid construction piece. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.